What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and by the title of this video you guys already know exactly what we're doing. So in case for people who haven't watched the first exhaust video, you should go back, watch that one, and then come back to this one. But if you did watch that previous one, then you would know that we didn't get to really do much exhaust clips of the car due to the small amount of space that we had during that time. So today I am going to, of course, set up the tripod, and we are gonna try and get some exhaust clips, and of course we'll try to get some flybys, exhaust revs, interior, you know, POV driving. I just want to make this a nice, simple, straight to the point exhaust video. Oh yeah, and before we start, keep in mind that the Delsol's clutch is slipping, so if you guys think that I'm riding the clutch while I'm driving, I'm definitely not. It's just that the clutch is pretty bad and it's slipping, so yeah. We gotta change that as soon as next year comes for sure. Because yeah, this clutch is absolutely terrible right now. It's always so cool to see your car's reflection on like a window or door. So just before I go ahead with the whole exhaust clips and POVs, let me just update you guys about a few stuff. Speedometer does not work. It does like work a little bit. It goes up to like 20 and probably that's it. But I just say that because, you know, just in case when we do some, you know, up close, wow, that's close. But yeah, I say that just in case if you guys do watch, you know, the interior shots of when we're driving and you don't see the speedometer going up any higher, that's why. It's because it's not working. Everything else works, but just the speedometer just doesn't work, which I do need to fix. I think it's probably just a bad fuse. It's so nice that it is in the middle of October and it's such a beautiful day outside. Perfectly warm, like 24 degrees, so can't complain about that. And there's a WRX just right across. What are the chances? I really gotta take this thing off. Like, it's so annoying just seeing it, and it's so ugly. Now, before I go ahead and start, you know, doing any pulls or anything, I'm just letting the car warm up a little bit more, just heating up. And while that's going on, I'm gonna use the chance now to make a few TikToks and of course take a few pictures. So I'll get back to you guys once it's time to drive. All right, guys, so just went ahead, finished taking some pictures, made a couple TikToks, and by that time the car is nice and warmed up for sure. Let's just go ahead and start with a few revs first, and then we'll take it onto the little small street here. But yeah, we'll do a little bit of POV driving with the car also on the inside, and then we'll go from there. Damn, I can't wait to like swap this motor to like, you know, a proper real VTEC, like a B series or a K series. Man, like I could imagine in such a small car like this, you must literally fly. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and park this up real quick and then close out this video. All right guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. So I hope you guys did enjoy. I hope that was a little bit better than the first video that we did with the exhaust system. But as you guys can see, it's a proper exhaust. Like, it's not anything crazy, which is why I believe it is a MagnaFlow exhaust, because it doesn't sound ricey or anything like that. As you guys can tell by the videos, it actually sounds good when you hit VTEC. Now, of course, I still do want a new exhaust, so we're definitely gonna get that. Still let me know recommendations, because I'm still searching. Because in 2022, I'm telling you guys, we are going full swing with this thing. Full swing. Maybe not a motor swap anytime soon yet. Still want to use this motor until it blows, if it ever does. I just want to make sure everything is really good so that once we do get to the mods, you know, everything just goes as planned. Even though 90% of the time they don't anyway, but still want to make sure all the maintenance is good on this car. Sitting pretty and waiting to be modified. And before I close it off, obviously I'm going to leave you guys with a little quote before I end out this video. I'm going to leave you guys with this one. Growth is painful, change is painful, but there's nothing as painful as staying stuck somewhere you don't belong. This quote is pretty self-explanatory. You know, changing, people want to change, but they don't really want to change, right? They want growth, but they really don't want it. But if you want your life to change, you've got to switch something up. You got to get serious. That's the only way you are going to grow. Step out of that comfort zone that you're so used to being in. Because trust me, it's better to try your best than to sit comfortably in the same space that you are in. If you want to be successful, you got to make moves. You got to take risks. And you gotta step out of your shell. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it for this video. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed. Peace.